Hi, ever noticed that there are two types of nutritionists? Which one are you? So, type 1 or type A is the nutritionist who keeps asking any opportunity or any job opportunity in a lot of groups and on LinkedIn and Facebook groups and chats and all, and maybe gets some peanut paying job and she's unfulfilled, she's frustrated, and then she maybe leaves that job or stays for some years and then leaves that job back in the same position, which is any opportunity, any opportunity, any opportunity. एंड दैट तो वो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट है. आर यू दैट न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और आर यू दिस सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट? सो द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट इज the one who defines what problem she is solving for clients, who her target client is. She works to upskill her way of working with clients and how she helps clients, and she talks to people about it, and she gets her own clients, she controls her own income, she feels fulfilled, she has a purpose in life, and not just, she is never posting any opportunity anywhere. She is doing what she wanted to do as a nutritionist. So which one are you, type 1 or type 2? Any opportunity or creating your own opportunity? So if you are type 1, posting any opportunity everywhere, or always going back to searching for jobs and then in the same cycle के unfulfilled है, and then leaving the job and then again searching for the job and then again unfulfilled and then again searching for the job, यारा यारा यारा. तो अगर आप उस टाइप में हैं और उस साइकिल में हैं, and if you want to transition to type 2 where you're controlling your income, you are making the impact that you wanted to make when you decided to become a nutritionist, or when you're controlling your own income and have happy clients and feeling fulfilled. तो अगर आपको टाइप 1 से टाइप 2 में जाना है, तो I'm not going to give you any nonsense actionable advice here, because that's what all the webinars and everything are doing. And अगर उन actions, tiny actions से आपका change होना होता, अगर आपका transition होना होता, तो आज आप फिर से any opportunity नहीं लिख रहे होते या फिर से job hunting नहीं कर रहे होते. So what will I do instead? I'm going to tell you the 3 needs, how to fulfill the 3 needs that will take you from type 1 to type 2. Okay, ready? Okay. So, and even if you are type 2, और अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, तो even for you, if you are feeling sick of this and if you're feeling that temptation to again go back to the same toxic cycle that you decided to break in the first place, stay with me and I will tell you what these 3 needs are and how you can give yourself those 3 needs so that you become successful. Okay, so these are, I'm not saying these needs are not made up by me. These needs are scientific. They have a lot of research behind them. You can Google them. It's called the self-determination theory. It's a theory about motivation, and the theory says that human beings have 3 needs, which when fulfilled, we take action. We get motivated to take action, and those 3 needs are, you know them: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Now in your case, forget the jargon, forget the words. I'll tell you what exactly is going on and how you can change it. तो सबसे पहले तो जो आपको वहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, from first type to second type, autonomy तो है. autonomy मतलब आपकी खुद की मर्जी. Do you want to do it? Yes. If you don't want to do it, if you want to stay in the miserable jobs and live an unfulfilled life, I'm not judging you. It's your choice. It's okay. You can go. Bye. If you are still here and if you feel नहीं मुझे ये नहीं करना है, मुझे टाइप 2 में जाना है, मुझे अपनी लाइफ चेंज करनी है, it is your own wish. वो जो विल में बोलते हैं ना कि अपनी होशो आवाज़ में मैंने कहा है, मैंने ये साइन किया है. If you are signing up for this, then you are still here, congratulations, we are going to continue this talk. Okay, so your first need is done. आपको ऑटोनॉमी तो है, आप खुद की मर्ज़ी से ये देख रहे हैं, आप खुद की मर्ज़ी से इस ग्रुप में हैं, खुद की मर्ज़ी से मुझे सुन रहे हैं एंड खुद की मर्ज़ी से जाना चाहते हैं एज टाइप 2. ओके, देन लेट्स गो टू योर सेकेंड नीड विच इज़ कम्पिटेंस. कम्पिटेंस मतलब in simple language if I tell you is, do you feel that you can do it? आपको परसेप्शन, आपका ये परसेप्शन है कि आप कर सकते हैं. डू यू हैव क्लैरिटी, डू यू फील इट इज़ इन योर डोमेन टू डू इट. आपके अगर आपको सपोज़ आपको मैंने अभी कह दिया कि गिटार बजाओ और आपको कुछ भी नहीं आता गिटार बजाने के बारे में, यू डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू होल्ड इट, then you have zero competence in it, and your competence will increase if I teach you how to play the guitar, and if you learn it, if you invest the time and energy in it. तो अगर आपको अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है, मुझे कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, I don't know what to do, and that's why my competence is very low, and that's why I go back to what I know what to do, which is job hunting and going in those jobs and serving those people and then bitching about it and feeling bad about it and then repeating the same cycle again. तो अगर आपका इस चीज़ में कॉम्पिटेंस नहीं है कि खुद के क्लाइंट्स कैसे लूँ, कैसे सर्व करूँ, कैसे बिजनेस बनाऊँ, कैसे पैसा कमाऊँ, तो आप सही जगह पर हैं. ओके, सो कॉम्पिटेंस कैसे बढ़ाएं? तो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज़ डिफाइन व्हाट प्रॉब्लम यू वांट टू सॉल्व. एंड ये बहुत सुनने में बहुत आसान लगता है बट करने में उतना ही मुश्किल. इवन इन ग्रोथ एकेडमी where we meet every week and we reflect every week and we do a lot of supportive stuff, उसमें भी nutritionists take time to define what is their, who is their target audience and what problem they want to solve. तो आपके लिए जो सबसे effective method है in growth academy that has worked, I'll tell you that, I'll share that with you. तो आपने अगर काम किया है, this is for the nutritionist who have dealt with clients and you have helped clients and successfully helped clients. Okay, even in your job or anywhere आपने किया है. So take any 10 stories of those clients that you have helped, write down कि ये client मेरे पास जब आया था तो कौन सी हालत में आए थे, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थे इनके, एंड जब प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट हुआ एंड ये टाटा बाय बाय किया तभी क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ था उनका एग्जैक्टली in comparison to when they came to you, the specific problems, उसका specific transformation क्या हुआ था, and then fill the gap. What was the road to that transformation? What did you help with exactly? कैसे हुआ वो transformation? So ऐसी आप 10, 15, 20 जितनी भी 5, 10 stories आपको लिखनी है, आप लिख दीजिए, and then find out the common traits in them. That what did you solve? How did you solve it? And how did you feel about it? Even if your client got success and you did not enjoy working with that client and solving that problem, then delete that. But if you liked it and if you want to do more of it in your career, choose those and see the common problems, common solutions and common transformative stories in that. Okay? And then you make your offer कि मुझे exactly करना क्या है ज़िंदगी भर. That is how what you write, that I am a person who does this kind of transformation for this kind of client and in this way. Okay, ये सारे details आप लिखेंगे in your first draft. However, this is not what you're going to do your entire life. It will keep on changing because this is the first time you're writing it. So you are not going to be perfect. You are not going to know what to write, what to do your entire life. So this is not a patthar pe likhi lakeer, okay? It can change with time, with more clients, with more experience. You can do this exercise 3 months later, 6 months later again. कि आप फिर से 15 stories लिख रहे हैं, उसमें से common चीज़ें pick करके you are again refining your offer statement, okay? That is how you increase your competence. That is one way, the first way. आपने थोड़ा सा clarity दे दिया खुद को कि मुझे ये start कैसे करना है process of getting my own clients. The first thing is you define what exactly do you do. I don't care about your degrees, even I have degrees, every nutritionist has degrees. How will a client decide कि मुझे इस nutritionist के पास जाना है, इस nutritionist के पास जाना है? You give them the transformation. What exactly do you do? What problem are you solving and how are you solving that? तभी आपको आपके टारगेट क्लाइंट से बात करने का मौका मिलेगा, तभी आपको लीड्स मिलेंगे, तभी आप कुछ कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ क्लैरिटी. एंड आप मत सोचो ओ ये क्या, इससे तो कुछ नहीं मिला, बट इतना तो करके देखिए. अगर इतना भी नहीं हो पाता है देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट यू डू टू गेट started with your own thing. Okay, second step obviously is how to get leads and clients, which is when you learn how to talk to the people around you online or offline, so that people know कि आपका offer exactly क्या है. But that will come to next. You can send me an anonymous DM, or you can join Growth Academy and you can tell me that, oh, I have done this, the first step, now I want to do the second step, tell me what is the second step. And if you have more questions about this first step also, then please let me know. I love to help nutritionist. तो मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है ये बताने में. Okay, that is how you increase your second psychological need, which is competence. पर आप अकेले अगर आपको क्लैरिटी जाननी भी और ये सारे एक्शंस करने भी है, आप नहीं कर रहे, आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हैं, है ना. सो दैट मीन्स ऑटोनॉमी है, कॉम्पिटेंस है, आपको पता है क्या करना है, यू वांट टू डू इट, ऑटोनॉमी है. So what is lacking? The third psychological need, which is relatedness. The feeling of somebody cares for you, or you belong somewhere. People care what you do or don't do, how your life goes or doesn't go. You care about someone, they care about you. Feeling of belonging in a group of people. And for that exactly I've created Growth Academy. But if you don't want to be in Growth Academy, which is by the way for just 9,000 rupees for an entire year where your life is going to change, it gives me no profit, it gives me nothing, it gives me just the satisfaction of helping nutritionists. तो अगर आपको वो नहीं जम रहा है कि okay I don't have 9,000, तो I would say कि कुछ तो करके arrange it, वड़ा पाव बेच के या something which I don't know, something. But इवन इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट, एकदम ही गरीबी चल रही है, खाने पीने को भी पैसा नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, 9,000 नहीं है, देन और इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट, यू आर लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन अ ग्रुप, एनी रीज़न दैट यू हैव, you can pick the nutritionist from your college or your family members or your friends or anybody who genuinely wants to support you and who genuinely wants your good and wants to help you live the life that you want to live. And you schedule a time with them, a time slot with them every week, or at least twice a month or thrice a month, where you talk only about this thing. Okay, this is my progress here and this is where I'm facing the blocks. You just listen to me. I'm going to brainstorm these things with you in this call or in this meeting where we are sitting together, and I'm going to talk about this thing. That's all. That's how you give yourself a dose of relatedness, that you are doing, somebody cares about what you're doing, you care about somebody, you talk about it, you want somebody wants good for you, you want good for somebody else. So all these things, you are connected to a human being, and you also can look up some other beginner nutritionists who are trying on Instagram or anywhere, and you can feel that dose of relatedness, that ये भी beginner है, मैं भी beginner हूँ, हम दोनों try कर रहे हैं और इस तरह से चीज़ें हो रही हैं. So this is how you give yourself all three needs: your autonomy, competence and relatedness. And that's how you will finally take action and change and get out of that cycle for good, of that toxic bad jobs की जो cycle है of any opportunity. You just need more competence, more clarity, more step-by-step things that your brain can help you do. And you need relatedness, you need a sense of belonging, some support, something that will help you do the things that you have always wanted to do, but बहुत fear लगता है, बहुत anxiety होती है, बहुत डर लगता है to do those things. So this is how you do them. That's all from my end today, and you become type 1 say type 2 nutritionist. All the best, and if there's any other questions, please let me know in the anonymous NGL DMs or my DMs. Bye bye.